Hi guys, welcome to a new video. Today we're doing a favourites video because we're reunited. Ellen has a concussion. Her brain's a little bruised peach, so...
Make sure you go watch my vlog where I got a concussion though. The views are doing good because it's not actually clickbait.
Oh no.
I just revealed my first product.
Do you want to go first then? We'll start with Katie. This is what Ellen just held up.
This is my beauty favourite that I've been loving recently. It's a little face roller, which is great when you have a concussion because it's really soothing. And I do it at night with my moisturiser or if I'm using an oil.
It's so good for oils.
Yeah, they're really nice and cold and they just feel really good on your skin. And it's meant to be like really good for like anti-aging. And then if you're someone who believes in crystal, it's like putting the crystal powers into your skin, which I don't really know if I'm big on that, but it looks pretty and it feels nice. And mine actually arrived broken in the mail, so I glued it back together. That's why it looks a bit wonky.
I actually did a blog post about my crystal roller on our blog if you'd like to read a little bit more about why I like mine, but Ellen's one's pretty, it's pink. Mine's green. So my first beauty favourite is a Shanghai Susie lipstick, and I feel like I talked about a Shanghai Susie lipstick in our previous favourites, but this one's a different colour and it's in the Satin Luxe like section, so it's a little bit more creamy and like shiny, which usually I'm not into that, but this is a really nice, it's called Smoky Topaz and it's like this really nice kind of light browny colour.
Is that what you're wearing today? It's very grey. I feel like we're coming out way more grey on the camera, but...
Yeah, it's like a grey brown and it just goes with everything, and since I dyed my hair kind of red, I've been struggling with a lot of the tones of my lipsticks. They probably look fine, but in my head I'm like, so I've gone with a really like grey tone and I feel like it looks really good. It makes my hair stand out, which I like.
Nice.
Did you know I dyed my hair? There's also a video about that if you want to watch it.
My next beauty favourite is this Too Faced highlighter. I really like it because I only had one highlighter before this and it was very silvery, and this one is very golden, and I quite like that for the incoming summer warmer months, like a goldeny glow.
You could almost say it's a candlelight colour.
Haha, yes, that's what it's called. I didn't mention that. I have a concussion. My friend Alex gave this to me and I really like how it's got the two different tones, but I just like swirl it together and plaster it on my face.
It almost looks like the Luminoso blush that I really like, the Milani one. I like it.
Thanks, Alex.
So my second beauty favourite, I don't actually have here, it's back in Melbourne, but it is the Drunk Elephant Minis, and it's the Night Bright set. So it comes with the TLC, I think it's the TLC acid in the pink container, and the oil, which has got like a yellow lid. And Hi, it's Fujitar. I'm currently editing the video and like half of the clips are missing. You'll see in a second we had issues with the camera, so I thought I'd jump in. I continue talking about the Drunk Elephant and why I like it. And then Ellen also talks about her will.i.am glasses from Specsavers, which she really likes, which she'll then be wearing in the next clip. So that's where the glasses come from. And I also mentioned my ring that I really like as a favourite. So yeah, I got it for my birthday from my boyfriend, and yeah, okay, bye.
Okay, our camera kept cutting out. Hopefully we fixed it now. But what we were saying, Kowtow, amazing ethical brand. It is expensive, but I got my jumper when it was on sale at Smith & Coe's, and I think I got like 25% off maybe, which brought it down a lot. I got a jumper and pants if you saw my LA haul.
That's where I got mine as well.
Yeah, they're just beautiful quality, really thick knits. My one has a little hood on the back.
Is yours cotton or is yours merino?
Oh, hello. My belly felt very exposed.
Sorry. I'm just like, where's the tag? I really like mine. I like layering it with different things, and I've had mine for like 2 or 3 years now and it still looks real good. I mean, mine's a bit covered in cat hair, but you can't see
I feel like mine is rubbing a little bit. Can you see? Should we do our favourite movie this month? Because I'm pretty sure we have the same movie.
1, 2, 3.
Crazy Rich Asians. Oh, actually,
To All the Boys I Loved Before.
Oh. Okay, Tara said Crazy Rich Asians and I said To All the Boys I've Loved Before, and I forgot about Crazy Rich Asians.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, let's do Netflix favourite and movie favourite.
Okay.
So the Netflix favourite is To All the Boys I Loved Before, which is a super cute rom-com movie and it's so cute.
It's just, and it's not like a rom-com with all those issues that you're just like, that's a bit weird, or that wouldn't happen in real life, or that's unreal. It's just, it's cute.
It's so cute. It's so good. Go watch it.
Fake dating trip. I haven't seen many movies, but I have seen Crazy Crazy Rich Asians, and it was so good, and it's so funny, and I felt like going into it I was a bit, you know, suspicious it wouldn't be as good as it's hyped up to be, but it was even better. I laughed so much.
I
May have
cried.
shed a tear, maybe.
Yeah, I
I
cried.
don't know.
I saw it twice, and I almost cried the second time. I'm like, Alan, you know what's gonna happen. It's not bad.
It's so good. It's like such a great family story about romance as
Yeah.
well, and
And I liked how it was just like different. Like I hadn't seen it before, but it was still a cheesy romance, which I loved. Favorite book of the month? I read a self-help book. Self-help book? I can't
oh
speak.
yeah, so did I. Funny story. Alan read the book I kept saying that I was reading, but I just got the title of my book wrong.
Yeah, so we were both messaging each other like, oh my god, I'm reading this book. Oh my god, same, it's amazing. Yeah, I love it. Like saying how great this book was. Tara was reading a different book to me. Basically, the book I was reading was The Life-Changing Magic of Not Giving an F. I don't think I can say the full swear word or else we'll get demonetized. Is that how it works? You can't swear in
I don't
videos.
know, we just won't say it. Doesn't say it on the title anyway, but you know what the F stands for.
And I just feel like I'm a very high-strung person and I care about a lot of things that I shouldn't care about. And this is just the perfect book for me about not caring so much and not feeling guilty about not caring so much.
On a similar theme, I read The Subtle Art of Not Giving a F. And it was really good, and it teaches you about not caring as much about things that don't matter too much and figuring out what matters to you. And
I haven't finished mine yet. I feel like I have to put that in. I'm just like savouring it.
I reckon you should read this one next. It's really good. TV shows.
Let's talk TV.
I have one Netflix, one non-Netflix.
Ooh, I have a Lightbox thrown.
Ooh, let's
For people
all
who
the
don't
streaming
live in
platforms.
New Zealand, Lightbox is kind of like similar to Hulu. It's got like Handmaid's Tale and stuff on there. Outlander though. I am living for Outlander. I think you should watch it because... Have you watched it?
I told you about it so long ago.
Did you?
I'm sure it wasn't a favourites video, and you were like, okay.
Oh, okay. Scottish.
The accent.
Scottish.
The kilts.
So good.
Jamie.
And I'm up to season 2 though, and it's moved to be set in Paris.
I haven't finished that season yet. I'm on the like 3rd or 4th episode.
Oh, we should watch it together.
We could, that'd be fun.
Streaming packed.
So I binge watched a couple of series in the past couple of months. The first one was season 2 of Atypical. I feel like we've talked about Atypical before as a favourite, but the second season came out and it's still so good.
I haven't watched it yet.
And there's a scene in the high school that just made me cry so much. It was about bullying. Just warning anyone out there. But yeah, it was so good, and if you haven't watched it, just watch both seasons. So good. I feel like I said so good so many times. And then the next one is called Killing Eve. It's got Sandra Oh in it. You might recognise her from Grey's Anatomy. It's Christina Yang, and she's so good in it, and it's basically about an MI5 agent in London trying to find an international assassin serial killer lady. It's also a female, and it's so good. I watched all of it. It's on like ABC. I don't know, it's streamed on some Australian site for
It's
free.
on TVNZ for free here as well. And that is the end of our favourites video.
Thanks for watching. Give it a like if you did enjoy it.
Thumbnail.
Give us a like for Alan's concussion.
Just gonna like get all the sympathy for my concussion.
Oh, why are you leaning on me?
Have a concussion.
The joke's getting old, but I still laugh every time.
Make sure to subscribe to our channel and we will see you in the next one.
Bye.